Today, we're diving into the top 5 smart kitchen gadgets in 2025 that are actually useful, not just gimmicks. These gadgets save you time, make meal prep easier, and add some serious tech to your kitchen game. Let's get started. All the product links are in the description below. Number 5, Kosori Pro2 Smart Air Fryer. This is more than your average air fryer. You can control it with your phone, set timers, monitor cooking progress, and even get recipe suggestions through the app. Perfect for fast, healthy meals with almost zero effort. Number 4, Hato Smart Kitchen Scale. Precision cooking meets tech. The Hato scale connects via Bluetooth and gives you weight readings straight to your phone. Great for calorie tracking, baking, or coffee brewing. Number 3, Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Cooker. Pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, all in one. The smart model connects to your phone so you can monitor cook times and recipes from anywhere. Total control, zero kitchen babysitting. Number 2, Simple Human Sensor Trash Can. A touch-free trash bin that opens with motion detection. It might sound simple, but once you go hands-free while cooking, you'll never go back. Number 1, Ember Smart Mug 2. Keeps your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature for up to 80 minutes. Controlled via app with custom heat settings. It's a luxury pick, but once you try it, you're hooked. That's our roundup of the top 5 smart kitchen gadgets in 2025. Let us know in the comments, which one would you actually use in your kitchen? All links are in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart home product reviews every week.